What's going on, guys? Seth here. I've had a lot of requests today, since I posted the video of the 620P with the ported muffler pulling the 32 through this stump. I've had a lot of requests to see the 36, and so today I have my 36 on the same saw from the video. Same saw. This is a full comp 36. It's an Oregon EXL 116 chain. I've never run this. Well, let me rephrase that. I've never seen or run a 620 with a 36. So this is going to be a first time experience for both of us. See what it's going to do in this stump here. This stump is about 34 inches diameter, so I mean it should just cut right through it like nothing. It is poplar, so I mean it's very, not a hard wood. Not a real hard wood as like an oak or a red oak, But yeah, this is it. Wanted to make this video, and I'm gonna get started up here, and we're gonna get in action and see what she does. did really good, guys. It felt great. It pulled real hard. I did do an aggressive sharpening on the chain itself. But yeah, I mean, you can see how smooth it cut. I mean, other than that, here, once you get past it, I mean, that was all solid. There's 36 solid inches right there. I mean, you can see how big of a piece it was. But man, she cut it. That did great. I had never put the 36 before on my 620 until just now, until I had requests for it. And honestly, it did really well with it. I mean, it pulled it good. And I mean, for that to be a full comp, it acted like it didn't even care. Guys, it did real good with that. I think it'd do even better with a skip tooth for sure. And it did well with the 32 as well. That's impressive for that saw to be a 60cc and pull that 36 that well. I mean, then again, too, it wasn't poplar, but still. For a saw that's, I would say, bone stock minus the muffler, other than that, it did wonderful. I'm very impressed that it pulled hard in it. I felt like it pulled harder now than it did with the 32. Like, share, and subscribe. Oh, let me put this out there too. Going back to this 36. If you'd like to see a video of the 670 or the 680, that's mostly what I've run this 36-inch bar on. Is on the 680. If you'd like to see either of those two saws, put in the comments. Just like, let's see the 680 with the 36 or the 670 if you'd rather see it with the 36. I mean, let me know, guys. I mean, I'll be more than happy to make videos and show them to you. I mean, what they'll do. I have no problem with that. I just, you know, I want everybody to be happy and, you know, put something cool up. And, you know, I mean, it gives me something too. It's like, oh, wow, it did really good with that bar, you know. So, but, anyways, going back to like, share, and subscribe. Hope this helps everybody. I hope everybody's tickled to see this. I'm very happy with it. It did very well with the 36. I mean, I wouldn't have a problem running it on it at all for occasional use. All the time use, a 7310 or something bigger would be the way to go. But it did great other than that for the occasional use. Like I always say, work hard, be safe, and help your peers. Thank y'all.